Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Carrot.
Carrot.
Carrots are orange and crunchy.
Carrots are orange and crunchy.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Tomatoes are red and juicy.
Tomatoes are red and juicy.
Onion.
Onion.
Onions can make you cry when you cut them.
Onions can make you cry when you cut them.
Potato.
Potato.
Potatoes can be mashed or fried.
Potatoes can be mashed or fried.
Broccoli.
Broccoli.
Broccoli looks like a little green tree.
Broccoli looks like a little green tree.
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
Cucumbers are cool and refreshing.
Cucumbers are cool and refreshing.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkins are big and orange.
Pumpkins are big and orange.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower is white and healthy.
Cauliflower is white and healthy.
Radish.
Radish.
Radishes are red on the outside and white inside.
Radishes are red on the outside and white inside.
Eggplant.
Eggplant.
Eggplants are purple and smooth.
Eggplants are purple and smooth.
Bell pepper.
Bell pepper.
Bell peppers come in red, green, and yellow colors.
Bell peppers come in red, green, and yellow colors.
Corn.
Corn.
Corn is yellow and sweet.
Corn is yellow and sweet.
Zucchini.
Zucchini.
Zucchinis are green and soft.
Zucchinis are green and soft.
Beetroot.
Beetroot.
Beetroots are deep red and healthy.
Beetroots are deep red and healthy.
Celery.
Celery.
Celery is crunchy and healthy.
Celery is crunchy and healthy.
Okra.
Okra.
Okra is also called lady's finger.
Okra is also called lady's finger.
Mushroom.
Mushroom.
Mushrooms are soft and grow in forests.
Mushrooms are soft and grow in forests.
Garlic.
Garlic.
Garlic adds flavor to food.
Garlic adds flavor to food.
Ginger.
Ginger.
Ginger is spicy and good for health.
Ginger is spicy and good for health.
Chili.
Chili.
Chilies are very spicy.
Chilies are very spicy.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potatoes are sweet and soft.
Sweet potatoes are sweet and soft.
Asparagus.
Asparagus.
Asparagus is long and green.
Asparagus is long and green.
Turnip.
Turnip.
Turnips are white and round.
Turnips are white and round.
Bitter gourd.
Bitter gourd.
Bitter gourds are green and bitter.
Bitter gourds are green and bitter.
Coriander.
Coriander.
Coriander leaves smell fresh.
Coriander leaves smell fresh.
Mint.
Mint.
Mint leaves are cool and fresh.
Mint leaves are cool and fresh.
Leek.
Leek.
Leeks look like big green onions.
Leeks look like big green onions.
Parsley.
Parsley.
Parsley is used to decorate food.
Parsley is used to decorate food.
Kale.
Kale.
Kale is dark green and very healthy.
Kale is dark green and very healthy.
Bottle gourd.
Bottle gourd.
Bottle gourds are long and light green.
Bottle gourds are long and light green.
Artichoke.
Artichoke.
Artichokes are green and have petals.
Artichokes are green and have petals. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.